Coach DeCarlo. You're about ready to enter into the business matrix. Blue pill. Your business will continue as normal and you'll continue to get the same results. Red pill. Your business will take a quantum leap. You'll begin to understand things about your business and how mind works with your business to take your business to a 10-fold, 60-fold, 100-fold. The choice is yours. How you doing? This is Coach DeCarlo. Now, I hope you like my rendition of the Matrix. Now, with all jokes aside, what we want to understand, a lot of people say, okay, well, DeCarlo, how do I begin to sign up for this workshop? Basically, what about the coaching sessions? What if I miss the 30-minute coaching sessions? Okay, listen, I said no bonuses, but what I'm going to do, even for those who have the 30-minute coaching session, anyone that gets on these 3 days, there's going to be a 1-hour follow-up. So even if you don't get the 30-minute coaching sessions, there will be a group coaching session that you can have your questions and your answers. And the goal of that is a follow-up after the workshop. So anybody that signs up for the 3 days, you're going to also benefit from a follow-up workshop, and we'll put that out there to you, the time and the dates, of course, and that'll be at no expense to yourself. But what it's going to be is a follow-up for those who have questions after the workshop. I just want to let everybody know, even if you don't qualify for the first 10, you will qualify for the follow-up group meeting for questions and answers pertaining to the workshop. So nobody misses out. I said no bonuses, but listen, I want everybody to benefit. So the goal is to get you to benefit. The other thing that you need to know is if you happen to miss the workshop, there will be recordings for anybody that signed up for the workshop. So you don't have to be there live. And the benefit of the recordings is that you can listen to them over and over again. Now, many of you say, well, Coach, who's the workshop for? The truth of the matter is, let me say it this way. Everybody's in business. Your life is a business, whether you understand it or not. I like to say the 3 S's. We're all self-employed, even if you have an employer. We're all self-employed. We're all providing service to someone, whether it be a family member, a business, a corporation, or an employer. We're all providing service. But lastly, we're all in sales. We're all selling something. We're selling our ideas. We're selling our concepts. I've talked to doctors, lawyers, counselors, you name it. I've worked with them because these principles work. It doesn't matter what your business is. You need to understand that if you're living and breathing, you're conducting business of one sort or another. The question is, how effectively are you conducting business? When you begin to understand these principles and how they work and how law works, you'll be able to, like I stated before, take your business to the stratosphere. The only limitations will be the limitations you place in your own mind. If you believe that this workshop is for you, sign up. This is Coach DeCarlo saying have a great and abundant day.